Ang dami mo naman nilalagay.
Okay, everyone, I hope you're all full now because we're going to resume our program. So, our next game, kailangan ko po ng 8 volunteers or 8 players. Then, participants. Ready, set, go!
Chicken.
Mojo.
Chicken. Mojo. Chicken.
Mojo.
Chicken. Mojo.
Chicken. Chicken. Mojo. Chicken.
For charades. Ready, set, go!
Mojo. Mojo.
Chicken.
Mojo.
Chicken. Mojo. Chicken. Mojo.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Mojo. Mojo.
Gagaling, gagaling.
Okay, ready?
Chicken. Mojo.
Thank you so much. Ready, set, go!
Chicken. Chicken. Chicken.
Okay, thank you. Before we continue our game, syempre, they're going to introduce themselves. So, lalagyan ulit natin ang practice yung pag-introduce with yourself. You have to say your name and your kalukalay. Okay? Again, you have to say your name and also your kalukalay. Okay, magsisimula na kayo now. Alright, ready? Magsisimula na kayo, Mom. What's your name and who's your kalukalay?
My name is Bianca. Ang kalukalay ko.
Sino ba ang kalukalay?
Camille
Si
Frank.
Sarah kasama mo. Bianca. Okay, next.
My name is Billy. Kalau kalian sa papa.
Sino ka pa? Papa mo? Siyempre. Papa ni. Lang. Okay. Set. Go.
Chicken. 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 Mojo. Mojo. Chicken. Mojo. Mojo. Chicken. 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 Mojo. Chicken. Mojo.
Nag-text pa siya eh. Sabay-sabay ko natin kakantahan ng Happy Birthday to Ring. Zoo! Happy birthday to you. Happy
Bye.
birthday to
Bye.
you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay, one more time, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, mommy and daddy, you don't make a wish for your baby and then blow your candle.
Boy, ano yan, boy? Baste. Boy. Ano yan? Ano yan? Ooh!
Kamara ko kuha lang naman.
Nandudrip na lang sa mga.
Ayun mo.
Boy, nandudrip ka na naman yan, boy, ha?
Ganda oh.
Boy! Boy! Gento! Ay, no!